Hello everyone, bringing you this snowfall forecast. A little late, but the storm hasn't really started. Well, it's starting to. Anyhow, it's near 6 when I'm recording this, and I'm showing you live radar on the screen right now as we're seeing the snow develop across our area, and we're starting to get the radar to notice that too. Now, we're just going to look at how the radar depicts this right now. And as you can see, um, it's looking a little impressive to our southern areas. However, there's those widespread greens. That's the heavier bands of rain or snow. But we're getting snow here, not as heavy, but it's still something. And now I'm going to show you right now the weather model here that is depicting what we are going to see through the night. It's a short-term model, very accurate in its forecast for this time period. Only goes 18 hours out, about 7 a.m. And as you can see here comes the snow, and then we get moderate snows toward around, I should put the timestamp up here, that's about 1 a.m. So by 1 a.m. you're seeing this heavy snow come into play here, and then by get close to by 6 a.m., 7 a.m., it's out of here. It's gone. This is a quick 12-hour event, 12, 13-hour event here by the very short-term model that's most accurate, but along its short-term. But we will get our own heavy snow in our area, and I will take you to my weather forecast. So, what am I predicting? Sorry about that. Right here. Okay. Here's my snowfall map, as you can see to the side there. And right now I am predicting widespread 4 to 9 inches of snow across our area. Long Island, I put a question mark for 3 to 6, depending on if rain gets there. And as you go north of our area, at one point it does become 3 to 5, and then 1 to 3 inches. This is going to be a narrow area of really heavy snow in our area, and it depends again on the track of low and where the snow bands develop. There's an amount of air I could have here. If you get these snow bands, and if you get the track of low that's more northerly for Westchester and Orange and Putnam, you're probably going to see those 9-inch, 10-inch, maybe even 12-inch amounts on the higher side. Of course, on this 4 to 9. 4 to 9 is more like median for me. And if you get a southerly track, well, we're going to have the inverse conditions. We're going to have lower amounts, 4 inches, 5 inches, maybe 3 inches in Westchester, Putnam, and Orange. That's what we're looking for. The problem is that track of low, and it's sort of favoring a northerly track, which is good for our area, bad for southern areas, and it's actually lasting longer on the shorter term model, so that's even better for us. Honestly, I think a lot of our area will have a delay. But what about snow day? Well, a snow day, the snow day for me is questionable. I think there's a possibility, but I'm not going to say 100%. I'm saying it's likely. I'll give you a 75% chance. However, I don't think a snow day is within 100% reach, because if we do get a southerly track, if we don't get snow bands, which are heavy, which are on radar, little part of the jet stream, which lifts up a lot of warm air into cold air, where you get a lot of moisture and basically a lot of snow or a lot of rain in this certain area, in this certain area. And if you don't get that heavy snow, guess what? You're not going to have a lot of snow. Snow crews, the transportation department will clear that, and we'll just probably have a delay. Because I honestly don't think we're going to... I don't think we're going to have school, but there's always this possibility these years. You can't expect it with the way our winter has gone. We've seen these predictions for high snow totals, high snowfall events. Guess what? They turn out to be minor, less major. The only threat this year has been icing I've seen, and that really hasn't caused much damage. But we'll see how that is, and we're gonna enter after this a colder pattern, colder than average for this whole week. And then after that, I see warm air coming back in. I don't think anything else. And then spring will come in. But tomorrow might be a snow day. I'm putting it at a delay for now. It's really going to be dependent on this low and where those snow bands develop. I'm putting it at a 75% chance of a snow day, but I'm not 100% sure, because you've seen snowfall events. They turn out to be lower this season, and on radar it looks to me it's more centered southward than what the actual models are. But keep your hopes up. We'll see tomorrow morning if you have a snow day or not, and I will be out of here. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe.